Yes, dear students. Now here in this lecture, I want to going to discuss about the image and the types of images, and about image formation due to a plane mirror, dear students. So how we define a image, right? How we define image. And before going to discuss that, first I want to discuss about diverging and converging light rays. So what do you mean by diverging and converging light rays, dear students? So diverging light rays and converging light rays. First, I want to discuss about diverging light rays. Already this also discussed in CBSE. Diverging light rays. So diverging light rays is nothing but what? See, for example, I draw one diagram. See, this is the diagram. See this here, the rays of light which are going away from this object. The rays of this symbol represents the direction of light ray. So here see the rays of light, the rays of light, the rays of light or light rays, light rays are going away from the going away from the point or object, going away from the point or object. Those light rays are called, those light rays are called diverging, those light rays are called diverging light rays. So this is about diverging light rays, dear students. Next one is what? Converging light rays. Converging light rays. So how we define converging light rays? Again here also I will draw just diagram. See, that is the rays of light which are coming towards the point or object, the rays of light which are coming towards the point or object. See here, the rays of light, the rays of light are light rays, the rays of light are light rays which are coming towards the point or towards the point or object. Those light rays are called, those light rays are called converging light rays. Those light rays are called converging light rays. So this is about converging and diverging light rays, dear students. See, now I am going to discuss about image and types of images. Image and types of images. So what do you mean image? So image means when the rays of light or light rays, when the rays of light or light rays or light rays diverging from an object, diverging from an object. So after reflection or refraction, either actually meet or appear to meet at some other point, at some other point at some other point is called image. Understand my point? So you can understand how we can define image like this, means in the form of image formation due to plane. That time you can clearly understand. So it means image is nothing but what? When the rays of light or light rays diverging from an object after reflection or refraction that actually meet or appearly meet at some other point, as so form as called as the image. Actually images are classified into two types. Images are classified into two types. What is that? One is what? Real image. One is what? real image, and second one is what? Virtual image. Second one is what? Virtual image. So now I want to discuss about before discussing real and virtual image. First, I want to discuss about image formation due to plane mirror. Image formation due to plane mirror. What is that? Image formation due to plane mirror. Image formation due to plane mirror. Image formation due to plane mirror. So first I am taking a plane mirror. See dear students, this is a plane mirror. So this is a plane mirror. So now this side is a smooth surface, that side is a silver coated surface. See, for example, I am taking one incident light ray here, right? One incident light ray. See, the incident light ray direction won't be changed, right? So here it is a point of incidence. Here it is a point of incidence. So for this it is a normal. For this it is a normal. So what happen whenever incident light ray incident on a plane mirror? What happen? It will be reflected. It will be reflected. So this is a reflected light ray. See, we know here in this for example, here you can take one room also where there is a number of light rays is there, but here just I want to consider. So to form a image, just I am taking only two incident light rays. This is one more incident light ray, and taking one more incident light ray on the same point. So again it will be incident on a plane mirror, right? So it is what? A point of incidence. Then for this it is about a normal. So it is about, again it will be reflected. Understand? Yes. So here I told already many times, intersection of reflected light rays only forms image. It is a reflected light ray, dear students. It is a R1. It is a R1 and it is a R2. It is I1. It is I1 and it is a I2. So intersection of reflected light rays only forms a image. So here there is an intersection will be there. There is no intersection will be there. So then how it will be intersect? So intersect these two reflected light rays, just I extended these reflected light rays at some other point. So I extended these reflected light rays at some other point. See here I intersected, then here the image will be formed. So here the image will be formed. See, and from this just I concluded the size of object and image will be same, and the image is erect image and the image is upright image, right? So these are the, and this image is a virtual image. Why? Because real images means the real images are is easily possible to catch on screen, but virtual images are cannot possible to catch on screen. So this is about image formation due to a plane mirror, dear students. Now I want to write here characteristics. Okay. Just you can draw this diagram in your notebook clearly. Characteristics of plane mirror, right? It forms a virtual image. It forms virtual image. The image is the image is the image is virtual and erect. The image is virtual and erect, and it is upright, and it is upright, and it is upright. And here the size of the object is equal to the size of the object is equal to the size of the image. So these are the characteristics of a plane mirror, dear students. So now from this so next class I will discuss about how define real image and virtual image, dear students.